Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we turn confusing corporate filings into something you can actually understand. Today, we're diving into a report from Advent Technologies Holdings, and trust me, it's not as dull as it sounds. We're talking about a company trying to change the way we power the world, and this report has some big news and some big money attached to it. Think of it as a sneak peek into the future of clean energy with a few financial twists along the way. So this isn't your typical quarterly or annual report. It's a Form 8K which companies file to announce major events. Think of it as a corporate bat signal. In this case, the signal is about a major funding boost. The key date here is March 11, 2025. That's when everything went down, mark the date. Now, who are we dealing with? Advent Technologies Holdings, Inc. They're a fuel cell and hydrogen technology company. Basically, they're trying to make clean energy solutions that can power anything from cars to power plants. They're not a household name, but they play in a very important field. Here's the big news. Advent just announced that they signed an agreement with a European agency called CINEA. It's all about a project called R-Hino. And the deal brings a whopping €34.5 million to Advent. The best thing about it is that it's non-dilutive. In simple words, they don't have to give away shares to get the cash. That means the current shareholders keep the same percentage of ownership in the company. So what is R-Hino? It's a project focused on building infrastructure for developing new fuel cells and electrolyzers. These are devices that either use hydrogen to create electricity, which is fuel cells, or use electricity to create hydrogen, which is electrolyzers. Advent aims to develop better materials to make these systems more powerful and last longer. A key part of this project is Advent's membrane electrode assembly technology, or MEA. Think of it as the heart of a fuel cell or electrolyzer. Advent believes its MEA technology can significantly improve the performance and reduce the cost of these systems. Advent is targeting big industries like aviation, shipping, and heavy-duty vehicles. These sectors are major polluters, and Advent thinks hydrogen fuel cells can help clean them up. The idea is that improvements in these areas can then spread to other parts of the economy. The company included a press release as part of the filing. This is pretty standard, as it gives the public more details about the news. Okay, now let's peek at the stock. It is traded under the ticker ADN, so make sure to check it out later on. The report was signed by Gary Herman, the company's chief executive officer. Now let's take a step back and analyze what this all means for Advent Technologies. This funding is a huge win for the company. It gives them a lot of cash to develop their technology and build out their infrastructure without diluting their shareholders. That's a big deal. However, it is worth keeping in mind that the grant is incremental and contingent on meeting certain milestones. They're not just handing over the money all at once. This project focuses on industries that are notoriously difficult to decarbonize, like aviation and shipping. If Advent can make a dent in these sectors, it could be a game changer. But these markets are also very competitive and heavily regulated. Looking ahead, Advent faces both opportunities and risks. They're in a growing market with increasing demand for clean energy solutions. They have a promising technology, and now they have the money to develop it further. But they also face competition from other companies in the fuel cell and hydrogen space. They need to execute their R-Hino project successfully. Ultimately, Advent's success will depend on its ability to innovate, scale up production, and navigate the complex regulatory landscape. The funding gives them a major boost, but it's up to them to make the most of it. This report shows that Advent is moving in the right direction. The funding is a major vote of confidence in their technology and their vision. If you are an investor or just someone interested in clean energy, Advent Technologies is definitely a company to watch. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. What companies do you want us to decode next? Let us know in the comments below.